Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix LinkedIn when it's crashing on your iPhone.
Fix 1. Update the app. Step 1. Open the App Store, tap on your profile icon, and scroll to LinkedIn. Step 2. Tap Update if available. Bug fixes often resolve crashing issues. Fix 2. Restart the app and your iPhone. Step 1. Swipe up from the bottom, or double-click Home to open the app switcher. Swipe up on the LinkedIn app to close it. Step 2. Restart your iPhone for iPhone X and newer. Press and quickly release volume up, then volume down, then hold side button until Apple logo appears. Fix 3. Delete and reinstall LinkedIn. Step 1. Tap and hold LinkedIn icon, select Delete app. Step 2. Go to App Store, search for LinkedIn, and reinstall it. Fix 4. Free up storage or check for iOS updates. Step 1. Go to Settings General, iPhone Storage. If nearly full, delete unwanted apps, photos to free up space. Step 2. Go to Settings General. Software update to update iOS if available.